What are the steps to reset an ADT sensor?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to reset an ADT sensor. Whether your system is giving you trouble or you simply want to change its settings, this guide will help you do it effectively and safely. It's important to note that the process may slightly vary depending on the specific model of your ADT sensor.
What will you need?
Firstly, you'll need to gather all necessary equipment. For resetting an ADT sensor, you typically won't need much more than your ADT security panel, the sensor you wish to reset, your ADT passcode. It's the code you usually enter on your security panel.
How do I access the system menu?
Start by accessing the system menu on your ADT security panel. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Press the Menu or Home button. The actual label may vary depending on your model. 2. You will be asked for your security passcode. Input it and press OK or Enter. 3. Scroll through the options until you find System Settings or System Setup. Select this option.
How do I reset my sensor?
Now, you're going to reset your sensor. Here's how you do it. 1. In the System Settings menu, find and select the option that says Devices. 2. Now, look for the option called Sensors or Zones and select it. 3. A list of all your connected sensors will appear. Scroll down until you find the sensor you want to reset. Select it. 4. Finally, you should see an option that says Reset Sensor. Click on it. 5. You may be asked for your passcode again. If asked, enter your passcode and confirm the reset.
What happens after I reset my sensor?
After you've reset your sensor, it will return to its factory default settings. This means that any custom settings you had previously programmed will be erased. Depending on the sensor, you might need to reconfigure it or add it back to your system. To do this, simply follow the initial setup instructions provided by ADT for your specific sensor model. There you have it. You've successfully reset your ADT sensor. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact ADT's customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.